Hey guys, my name is Emo and you're watching TechnoRight. What's going on guys? Welcome to TechnoRight, where technology is done right. So today I'm going to teach you on how to get rid of this startup applications. So whenever you turn on your computer or your laptop, you'll have some apps like Steam, Discord, Origin, Epic Games Launcher, all jumbling up your task manager and basically making your computer slow at the start. So what you're going to do is you're going to disable all the apps that you don't need, and you will only able to launch them when you click on the icon. Okay, so let's get straight into it. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on a blank space on your taskbar and click on Task Manager, or you can use the shortcut Control Shift and Escape. Okay, and you have this. Okay, then you're going to click on More Details. And you'll go into here. Once you go into here, you're going to go into Startup. And you can see here it says Spotify, Microsoft OneDrive. These are all the applications which starts when you log in into your PC. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Steam Client Bootstrap. I'm going to disable it. Make sure it's disabled here, and then I'm also going to disable Microsoft OneDrive. And yeah, basically that's the only two I want to disable. If you want to disable more, you can go ahead and do it. Okay. So yeah, that's about it guys. That's how to disable applications. So the next time I start, Steam won't load up and Microsoft OneDrive won't load up. Okay, so that's about it. So if you have any questions or any other problems, please put them down in the comments below, and I think that's about it. So please rate, comment and subscribe, and I'm out.